Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to another video here on the channel, and today we are going to make the continuation of our little puppy, okay? Today we are going to make his arms, these little arms right here. And before we start the video, I already want to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now let's start making our little puppy then. Well guys, I'm right here with the head and the body in my hand. We are making him in this gray color so we can have two little puppies in two different colors. And I already wanted to tell you that these two videos are already available here on the channel. Part 1 is the head, Part 2 is the body, and now we are going to do Part 3, which is the arms. I'm going to teach you how to make one arm, but you'll have to make two, okay guys? It's the same pattern for both, so I'm going to make one here with you and you can make the other one following the same pattern. Just rewind the video and make it again. Let's start by doing round 1, and in this round we are going to do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. So right here, I already secured my magic ring, and I'm going to do 6 single crochets inside this ring. I made the 6 single crochets. I'll pull my yarn and close this magic ring, and let's start making round 2. In this round, guys, we are going to do 6 increases, okay? So 1 increase in each base stitch will give us 6 increases, and at the end we will have a total of 12 single crochets. We finished round 2. Now in round 3 we are going to do the sequence of 1 single crochet and 1 increase. And we will repeat this sequence 6 times. And at the end of this round we will have a total of 18 single crochets. Let's keep going with 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Now guys, let's do round 4, which will be 2 single crochets and 1 increase. We will repeat this round 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 24 single crochets in total. Alright guys, now from round 5 through round 7, we are going to do single crochet in each stitch around. And all of these rounds will have a total of 24 single crochets. So let's do rounds 5, 6, and 7 as just stitch for stitch. I'll do mine. And when I finish round 7, I'll come back to continue with you. Alright guys, I finished round 7, now let's do round 8. We are going to do 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 18 single crochets in total. We finished round 8. Now in round 9 we are going to do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. We will repeat this sequence 6 times. And at the end of this round we will have 12 single crochets in total. Let's keep going with 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Alright guys, now from round 10 through round 17, we are going to do single crochet in each stitch around. And all of these rounds will have 12 single crochets in total. So let's keep working until round 17 with just single crochet in each stitch around. I'll do my rounds and come back to continue with you. Alright guys, I finished round 17 and I already put stuffing just in this little ball part of the hand. In this part of the arm I don't put stuffing, but in the hand I do. And now I bring the yarn to the back right here and I'm going to join the paw with 6 single crochets. We have 12 stitches then, so I'll grab this one, which was the next stitch, and the last one I made, insert my hook through both of them, catch the yarn, and make a single crochet. I come into the next 2 stitches right here, going across the amigurumi, make another one, come into the next ones, make another one, come into the next ones, make another one, one more, and the last one right here, which is the 6th stitch. And now I cut a long tail for sewing, okay? I cut leaving a long tail for sewing. Take it right here and pull, leaving this little thread. And that's how our little arm turned out, guys. Reminding you that we need to make 2 identical pieces. Just repeat the same process and make the other arm. And that was it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. That's all, everyone. Stay with God, a kiss, and see you in the next part. Bye-bye.